Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share the Adobe Photoshop application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app itself. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner, press on the three lines there, and after that press on share the app. And you can just select an application here or press on the more option, and you will be able to share basically this application in any of the other applications that you can see here. You just need to press on them, and the sharing process in the application is going to be unique, of course. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.